Now we are in Barra. It's between Barra and Recreio now where we are. I go to show you guys that's popular. Kiosk. Look. The entry, it's called Pesqueiro. Oi, boa tarde. Okay, here, this kiosk, it's separated in 3 parts. Here, where's aqui a área?
Eletrônica, Beach Club.
Here, it's Beach Club. That's electronic music. So, it's also in the night, weekend. No caso, final de semana, né?
Isso, sexta, sábado e aos domingos.
Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Vamos entrar?
Here's the bounce. I don't know the name, but everybody when they came here, they have to take picture in this area. You know, that's the post for the restaurant. Oi.
Essa é a nossa parte, que é toda restaurante.
This is the restaurant side. Desculpa. Here where people they sit and eat, you know. That's more like a food. Where you want to eat, you stop here. Woo, shrimp. Again, here they sell seafood. Look, that's the 3rd area for the restaurant.
Sertanejo, finais de semana.
Here they play country music. You know, people's like sertanejo, country, like forró, like so.
Brazilian country music.
Yeah.
Brazilian folk.
Right. And the weekend also. Na 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 na. Okay, now we are in Barra da Tijuca. The first thing we show it's the kiosk pesqueiro, the popular famous kiosk. They receive many tourists. They sell seafoods and other foods also, of course. But here in Barra have many edifícios.
Muito edifício.
Edifícios. Oi? Ok. Oi, boa tarde.
Só encosta aqui pra mim, por favor.
I don't know, they just want to see something.
Ele sim. Tá só desmarcado mesmo. Bota um pouquinho mais à frente, ó. Encosta mais aqui, tá bom?
They just want to look, I don't know, for something. Maybe they think it's drugs in the car, I don't know.
Isso aí tá bom. Okay, Renata Lopez is a criminal.
Okay.
Wanted by the
my
police,
God, it's
so
crazy.
they pulled her over to check her.
They check your bag, not my bag. So you look suspicious, not me. Oh my God, Dennis. Your face not hiding. He saw you and he said, stop.
He said, where's
now.
the drugs? Where's the drugs?
He saw you and he said, stop. When he's looking at me, he say, oh, okay. But when he see you, see with the camera, he's not want to see my bag. All yours. Why? I'm the one I have.
Yeah.
And here it's the edificios. The buildings here it's much more bigger, you know. It's many all over the place. That's how it's Barra is. Many.
And these are apartment buildings, not offices.
Yeah, there's apartments. People live. Look and all view. If you see. A lot of people here. And here it's much more busy than the other side because here it's more commercial. Here it's more the town for Barra.
This is postal 4. We were at postal 9 when we first got out. So it's much busier here.
Yeah, here where's their stores. And much more buildings, edificio, you know, and
See if
yeah.
we can find a place to stop here.
Let's see, I say difficult. We are which post? I don't see it.
This postal 4 we passed back here.
Post 4. But it's more expensive than Recreio. Just to remind you guys, you know.
It's more expensive?
Yeah, Recreio it's more cheap to live than Barra.
Recreio? What's that?
Recreio. Recreio dos Bandeirantes. No Recreio. That's. Now let's see. Barra. This is their condominium. You know, that's their condominium with buildings in Barra da Tijuca. It's a resort. You know, people live here, they work in here, everything. But most live, and it's look very nice. You know, have this one, and this one, and this one, and this one.
Are we going to go over there? No.
This is, you know, this one, it's very modern. But if I choose this simple one.
Where?
This one.
Yeah? Why?
It's a lot more, maybe more home, more comfortable, more. I don't know how to explain.
Okay.
But it's so cute. Let's go to the other side where's the kiosks and the beach. Here in Barra da Tijuca, for you live here, you need a car. You know, if you want to go somewhere, you possible have Uber. You know, we use Uber a lot here in Brazil. Let's go. Run.
You trying to get me killed? Trying to get me killed?
Yeah, of course. But you know what I smell? Shrimp. I smell shrimp. No. pessoal! Agora nós estamos andando na praia da Barra. Ai, a areia tão macia, tão fofinha. The sand is very soft, but I have my tennis shoes. Dennis, what you doing? Take picture. In the summer, it's much more chairs, ombreiras, and peoples. You know, the beaches get full, packed. Here's where is the kiosk. Some guys, when they come to visit Rio, you know, first time, you know, second, they stay in Copacabana. And then with the time, after some time, they want to change. They asking about other places in Rio, like Ipanema, Leblon, Barra da Tijuca. And what I have to say is, this place it's good place, you know, it's much more calm down, tranquilo compared to Copacabana. But you need to think about it. What you do in the night? You know, if you just want to be in peace, relax, Barra, Recreio, that's the correct place to go. If you want a little bit more party, if you want a little bit more noise, you know, not peace, then it's better stay in Ipanema, Leblon, Copacabana. So here in Barra da Tijuca, it's good for stay because it's I think it's more safe compared to Copacabana. You know, it's more safety, it's more clean. I mean, even the beach, you see the difference, you know. Copacabana, I think it's more for enjoy, for have fun, to meet friends, you know, get some company and then back to Barra. But then, that's the thing. When you go into Copacabana to pick up some friends and come back to Barra, then you need to pay for the Uber. You need to pay for the taxi because it's not close, it's far. I think it's 40 minutes. Some people, they say, oh, 20, 30 minutes. No, it's far. So you need to think about it. In the night, you go there, you know, and then you need to take, in the daytime, have one place, I go show you guys. In Copacabana, I have one place where the guys normally they meet and they sit, they talk in one special area in the beach. And so you need to move to Barra, to Copacabana to meet your friends, you understand? So you need to think about, oh, it's no problem. I pay the Uber, good, cool. So then stay in Barra. I think it's better, it's a little bit more peace and more safe than Copacabana. You know, it's not like, oh, you go under, you go take walk and somebody come and sue you. No, it's not like this, of course not. But you need to be careful, you know, in Copacabana, I mean, you know, it's not good for you use gold, you know, and walking with gold. It's not safe. You know, bring some small money in a pocket. It is necessary, you know, your phone, it's no problem. Ah, the drone. I'm here. Okay, so what I supposed to say is, I think from me, from my view, from my side, Barra, Recreio, Recreio it's good place to live. Barra also, Barra da Tijuca also. But for you come only to visiting and have fun, I think stay in Ipanema, Copacabana. Okay, now we are in the other side. Well, still in Barra da Tijuca beach. Little bit more in the beginning. It's post 2. So here it's much more peoples. And there they have the resort, It's Casino Beach Club, it's called. And they have live music in the night. They have drinks, it's look really nice.
It's no use working 9 to 5. If you want more than to stay alive, come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Wanna be keep dancing through the night.
Casino Clássico Beach Club.
We can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Wanna be keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light,
Many more apartments down in this area. And you can tell that the area is a little bit older because the buildings are a little bit more worn, but still very nice.
I want to get food parts 2, chicken parts 2.
Wanna be keep dancing through the night, we're dancing. Stay up until the morning light, falls. Come on over, we can make it through, Take my hand, I know just what to do, Wanna be keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light,
Hey guys, now we are in the traffic. That's the thing, when you decide to stay in Barra da Tijuca and have to go in Copacabana to meet or to bring some friends.
Then merge onto Avenida das Americas.
So that's the thing. Go to the beach in Copacabana. Let's check out the time for the traffic, the rush time. I don't know how to say.
Rush hour.
Rush hour. Yeah, because it's bad. Same now people they go out from working, so it's a traffic to go, traffic to come back.
So we're in Baja now and we're trying to get back to Copa. Look at that, guys. 1 hour and 10 minutes to get to Copa from here in rush hour.
Yeah.
dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light.
Hey guys, like, subscribe, leave comments and follow me on Instagram.